Good morning, friends. We're ready for Sunday lesson number 60. Not sure who's out there listening to me today, but just want to give a shout out to my friend Jules. All right, here we go. We're going to read our sounds in E, R, sh, a, I, a, ch, qua, oi, oi, or, all, wa, k, ow, a, o, I, e, I, u, a, ear, ch, oo, o, ear, ah, j, I. And we're going to spell our sounds. The first one I want you to spell is ear. Say it with me. Ear. Okay, go ahead and write it down. Okay, you can write this on paper using paper and pencil, paper, pen, marker, whatever you can find, or if you have a dry erase board with a marker. Okay, so ear. Okay, our next one is, so I'm sticking my tongue out as in thin. Say it with me. Go ahead and write it. TH. Good job. All right, our next one is Okay, say it with me. E-R. Then I want you to write ow. Say it with me. Ow. And this is as in cow at the end of the word cow. O-W. Next we have qua. Say it with me. Qua. Go ahead and write it. Q-U, qua. And as. This means more than one. As at the end of the word. And it's E-S. Okay? And then I want you to show me, we just learned, I believe that was 2 lessons ago in lesson 58, we learned the ooh at the end of the word. What would that be? Say it with me. Ooh. At the end of the word. That would be E-W. All right, nice job. And moving on to reading our words. Have, live, again, could, very, give, should, would, against, eager, fight, leaf, stew, sigh, screw, right, crew. Do, peace, feast, flew, tighter, bleach, least, slight. Chew, night, few, brew, lighting, stew, seat, bright. Hailstorm, drain, thirst, spry, birthday, splotch. Spray paint, thrush, first, railroad, screen, throng. Springtime, trailer, squish, split, shrink, squirm. Quaint, faith, thriller, scrawl, 3, stress. Maintain, sprains, sailboat, thrive, whirlwind, waiting. Put the shrimp in the bucket. Sprint to the spruce tree. Close the window when you go. We had a smooth ride in the airplane. All right, and today is actually our mastery check-in. So I will not be typing the words for you to see. So we would love it if you could either list all your words in order on a whiteboard or get a piece of paper and write them down. And then you can take a screenshot and upload it to Seesaw, or have your parents send us an email, or if you know how to send us an email with a screenshot of your work. All right, so let's get ready for our mastery check-in. All right, the first word is scraps. Say it with me, scraps. Okay, I want you to use your touch spelling. That's a 3-letter blend. Scraps. I'll do a few of them with you, spelling it, and then I want you to just do it on your own. Okay? Our next word is shrimp. Again, we have that 3-letter blend. Shrimp. Okay, our next word is squirt. You say it, squirt. Go ahead and spell it, squaw. So a 3-letter blend, squat. Okay, our next word is quail. Say it with me, quail. Let's spell it, Quail. Quail. Okay, our next word is very. You say it, very. V-R-E. It's one of our sight words. If you need to stop and pause the video, you can, and restart it as well if I'm going too fast. Okay, for our compound word, we have raindrops. Say it with me, raindrops. So we have rain and drops together. R-A-N-D-R-O-P-S. Our next word is splat. 3-letter blend again. Say it with me, splat. Let's spell it, splat. Okay, our next word is third. Say it with me, third. Let's spell it, th-er-d. Our next one is first. Say it with me, first. Let's spell it, f-er-s-t. And then we have another compound word, springtime. Say it with me, springtime. Let's spell it, spur. It's a 3-letter blend. Ing, which is 3 letters. T-I-M. Okay, for the rest of our words, I'm just going to say them and you can repeat them and then use your sound spelling, your touch spelling on your own. So twirl, say it with me, twirl. The next one is sailboat. Say it with me, sailboat. Our next word is thriller. Thriller. Next word is stress. Say it with me, stress. It's got that 3-letter blend. Okay, our next word, again. Say it with me, again. Our next word is squishes. Say it with me, squishes. Okay, we've got 4 more words. The next one is hailstorm. Say it with me, hailstorm. Our next word is against. Say it with me, against. The next word is throb. Say it with me, throb. And our last word is brain. Say it with me, brain. And go ahead and kiss your brain. You did a great job today. Good work. So we would love to see a little picture of your work today. You can email it or upload it to Seesaw. All right, have a great Tuesday. Bye, guys.